Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this video, we are going to talk about the problem A of Codeforces around 760, which is Polycarp and sum of subsequences. So this is a really nice problem. What it is asking is that there are three positive integers, and you are given the sum of all the seven uh, subsequences of this array. So array of size 3 contains 2 to the power n minus 1 subsequences, if you know. So there are 7 subsequences and you are provided with the sum of these subsequences, the sum of elements. Okay, and so you have to find the array A, okay, the corresponding array A to that particular array B. Fine. So we have to analyze the thing. The thing is that whenever we are given with numbers a, b and c, okay, so if there is a number a, b, c, then a plus b, then b plus c, then c plus a, then a plus b plus c. These are the you can say the seven uh, subsequences, sum of seven subsequences. Fine, so these are the subsequences. uh, Now you have to analyze one thing, that maybe any one of these values, means a plus b, b plus c, or c plus a, any one of these can be less than these three values. For example, if I sort it in order, then it can be a, b, then a plus b, then c, then b plus c, then c plus a, then a plus b plus c. Maybe c can be greater than a plus b. It can happen actually. Okay, but it will never happen that here is a, here is a plus b, and here is b. It will never happen. Why? Because it can't be that a plus b is uh, less than b. It is not possible. So the thing is that in this particular sequence of array of 7 numbers, the first two numbers will always be the numbers of the array A. So the array will be A will be the first element of array B, the second element of array B, and the third element will be last element minus first and second element. Why? Because the last element is the sum of all the three numbers, and we have the two numbers, so we can get the last number. So it will be b of 7, not sorry, b of 6 minus b of 0 minus b of 1. Okay, this is the thing. So this is the answer of this particular problem. So this was an easy one. I hope you understand. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, or you can join Telegram. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.